The devil's enigmatic figure that defies mortal comprehension. Let's indulge your feeble imagination, shall we? Description of the glorious bunker. I'm Tear Away Diablo. Listen up, you pathetic mortal. I'm about to grace you with a description of the glorious keyword bunker. Buckle up, because this shit is about to get real. Imagine you're a true-blooded patriot like me, willing to go to any lengths to protect your family from the impending doom that lurks around every corner. Yeah, that's the spirit. Picture this, John Hartman, a retired badass from the US Armed Forces, and a certified survival expert. This guy knows his shit. 4 years ago, he realized that the ultimate solution to safeguard his family was none other than a motherfucking survival bunker. But not just any bunker, mind you. This thing had to be hidden, unbreakable, spacious enough for 5 people, stocked with 6 months worth of supplies, ventilated, powered by renewable energy, and tough as nails to withstand all hell breaking loose. Now, let's dive into John's journey. He took matters into his own hands, researched like a madman, and even got some help from a fellow patriot named Brian Walters, who had already built his own professional-grade bunker. Together, they formulated a kick-ass plan that allowed John to build his own family bunker on a budget. They started working in March of 2011, with John's family lending a hand and bonding over the construction process. In just 2 months, they had a kick-ass survival bunker that surpassed anything money could buy. But wait, there's more. John and Brian decided to share their wisdom with the world and created the ultimate family bunker construction manual. It's a step-by-step guide packed with secrets to getting affordable materials, nailing the site preparation, obtaining permits, designing the layout like a pro, and even throwing in electrical plans and 3D diagrams for good measure. You won't find this shit anywhere else, my friend. It's a game changer. So, why the fuck are you still reading this? Grab your balls and get ready to build your own goddamn survival bunker. Our plans are easy to follow, even for clueless idiots like you. And guess what? You can build it underground or above ground, whichever floats your boat. The bottom line is, with our badass plans, your family will be safe and secure, no matter what the world throws at you. But hey, don't just take my word for it. People from all corners of the globe are losing their minds over the awesomeness of our construction guide. It's affordable, customizable, strong as fuck, time efficient, and so damn secretive that only your family will know about it. This shit is the most comprehensive and up-to-date guide you'll ever find. Trust me, you won't regret it. Now get off your lazy ass and start building your bunker. Glorious, bunker, description, Diablo, pathetic, mortal, tier, family, impending, around, corner, true-blooded, patriot, lengths, protect, imagine, survival, bunker, hidden, unbreakable, spacious, people, stocked, supplies, ventilated, powered, renewable, energy, tough, withstand, breaking, loose, journey. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to follow more.